Marinners for you. Dubai authorities probe container ship blast that rocked city. This movie made available from the government of Dubai media office's footage shows a smoke from a container ship, DP World Containers Terminal, on Thursday, July 8, 2021, after there was an explosion on Wednesday night. It is unbelievable. Drone footage released by the Emirates media office showed smoke still emanating from the ship, docked at the port near stacks of thousands of containers. Residents of apartment towers and villas that line the city's coast reported hearing a loud bang in the night, and then felt windows and doors shaking after the fireball shot into the sky. Don't forget to subscribe the Marinners For You channel, and click on bell icon to get notification. Thanks a lot. See you soon.